Welcome to Fusion Charcuterie Boards you've never seen. Get ready to explore the exciting evolution of charcuterie. Charcuterie boards are no longer just about meats and cheeses. They're transforming into true culinary art. We're moving beyond the classic, embracing new ingredients and creative presentations. Get ready for artistic, themed, and global fusion boards that will amaze your guests. First up, our Indian Fusion Charcuterie Board, a vibrant explosion of flavors and colors. I'll show you how to select authentic ingredients and style them for maximum impact. The finishing touches are key to elevating your board from good to unforgettable. Next, we have a beautiful and delicious vegan charcuterie board, proving plant-based can be just as exciting. Discover the best plant-based selections and how to arrange them for visual appeal. Learn tips for creating vibrant presentations that are as appealing to the eye as they are to the palate. Our third board is a seasonal charcuterie board, celebrating the best of what each season offers. See how to incorporate seasonal produce and flavors to create a unique and fresh experience. We'll explore how to create a cohesive seasonal theme that tells a story through your food. For our last two boards, I'll share DIY tips for crafting your own stunning themed charcuterie boards. The secret is selecting ingredients that perfectly align with your chosen theme. Master the art of styling and arranging to create visually appealing and engaging boards. Don't forget the finishing touches that tie your entire theme together and impress your guests. From classic to cutting edge, we've reinvented charcuterie for 2025. We've explored Indian fusion, vegan, seasonal, and themed boards, showing endless possibilities. If you enjoyed this food styling deep dive, remember to like and subscribe for more amazing content.